Hello everybody and welcome back to these short video computer trainings. Today we'll discuss an issue that we encountered while upgrading our environment to Windows 7 and Microsoft Office 2010. A lot of our users complain that while opening or reattaching archives that they have saved over the network on a network share, their Outlook freezes up. So we did some research, and as far as Microsoft is concerned, PST files or network shares were never recommended nor supported by Microsoft as an enterprise solution. So now I have my own opinion about that answer, but I'm not going to comment on it. But we did search and we found a couple of solutions that worked for us. In some instances, 3 of them are the most, by far, the ones that gave the most results. The first one is we actually found that in a couple of cases they were not the archives that gives us issues, but the public folders connection. Right? Some of our users have had connections to public folders on servers that were in a different location. So they were actually going over the internet, over the WAN links to connect to those public folders. To see if that is a case for one of the users, just keep Ctrl pressed and right click on the Outlook icon in the system tray and just go to connection status and just check the public folder connection and make sure it's not connected to a server off-site. Right? The other 2 solutions were actually 2 services on the Windows platform that we shut down and disabled. One of them was the Windows Search service. Apparently that service, we knew that that service is trying to index everything on your PC, but apparently it's trying to index everything you open as well, even if it's not on your PC. So when you try to attach an archive to Outlook, especially if it's a very big archive, it's going to try to index it, and of course trying to access it in the same time as Outlook, especially if it's big, it's going to crash Outlook and most probably corrupt the archive in the process as well. The other service that we found, it's actually very effective to stop it. It actually works for us, even though as per Microsoft, the offline files feature works only for the files and folders you specify that you want them to be offline, right? Available offline. Even if that's the case, for us it actually worked in some of the cases. We're not sure why, but on some of our PCs, stopping that service actually helped. What we recommend is employing all 3 solutions if you don't have roaming profiles combined with offline folders or files that you use in your organization. Employing all these 3 solutions will most probably work for most of your users. So let's see. We said we're going to stop the services. I usually do it from the command line, but for now we're actually going to have a look at it. So from command line, it's SC, service control manager, and I'm going to do a config. Actually, first you need to stop it if you want. So stop search. Ready? There we go. Stop pending. And to actually disable it is SC config wsearch, and we do start disabled. Please notice the space here between equal and the state. You need a space. There you go, it's disabled. The other service is offline file, as we said. I actually don't know the name of that one by heart, so we're going to have a look. Services offline file, there it is. CSC service, it's a weird name, I guess. CSC service. We're going to stop it, stop pending, and also we're going to configure it XLC service start equal disable. Okay, so open files, refresh, there you go, it's disabled. So these are the commands: sc stop the service, sc config the service name start equal space disabled. The same for the other one. So if you employ these two solutions, and also make sure you don't have any public folders connections off-site, most of the issues you have with the archives and freezing Outlook will be gone. At least they work for us, and these solutions actually worked very well for us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the videos, and don't forget to check out our blog watermarked at the bottom of the video. Thank you.